Hi, you're welcome to Gmats class. Now let's solve this problem together. Now 7 raised to the power of x minus 4 raised to the power of x equals to 33. Now this x now, I'm going to translate it to x over 2 times 2. This is the same thing as x because 2 cancel 2 is still going to give me x. Right? So this expression now here, 7 raised to the power of x, we now turn to 7 raised to the power of x over 2 raised to the power of 2. Since when you multiply this and this together, it's going to give you x. So minus 4 raised to the power of x over 2 raised to the power of 2 is still the same thing as 4 raised to the power of x. So equals to 33. Alright, now when you look at what we have here, we now have difference of 2 squares. So this is square, this another square, so you can see subtraction there. And whenever we have difference of 2 square of this type, a raised to the power of x minus b raised to the power of 2, a raised to the power of 2 minus b raised to the power of 2, that gives us a minus b times a plus b. So we are going to implement that here. So this one is like our a. 7 raised to the power of x over 2 is our a. Now 4 raised to the power of x over 2 will be the b. So we have 7 raised to the power of x over 2 minus 4 raised to the power of x over 2 times 7 raised to the power of x over 2. Now it's going to be plus 4 raised to the power of x over 2. Everything will be equals to, all of this will be equals to 33. And 33 is the same thing as 3 times 11. Okay, so now from here we now compare. So this expression here will be equals to 3, while this will be equals to this. Now when you look at it now, so we have 7 raised to the power of x over 2 minus 4 raised to the power of x over 2 equals to 3. You call that one equation 1, and also 7 raised to the power of x over 2 plus 4 raised to the power of x over 2 equals to 11. That is equation 2. So we are going to solve this equation simultaneously. So now let's add the two together. So when you add this and this together, we have 7 raised to the power of x over 2. So 2 of it, this plus this, we have 2 of it. So when you add this and this together, they are the same thing but opposite sign. That's going to be 0 and equals to, when you add this and this together, you have 14. 3 plus 11 is 14. So now you divide both sides by 2. So when you divide this by 2, you have 7 raised to the power of x over 2. When you divide this by 2, you have 7. So 7 is the same thing as 7 raised to the power of 1. So since their bases are equal, so then their powers must be the same thing. So we now have x over 2 equals to 1 over 1. So you cross multiply x times 1, x, 2 times 1, 2. So value of x is 2. So I want to believe you have learned 1 or 2 things. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please try and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and also drop your comments. Thanks.